Hello everyone, it is April 7th and this is your daily Ethereum update. Looks like we're witnessing some significant movement in the market. Everything is either consolidating or moving slow. So in this video, we're going to discuss where the next support zone for Ethereum is going to be at. For now, I think this is the first day of the market taking a bit of a rest. I think we will see the whole market consolidating for the next couple of days. And in this video, I want to show you the next possible support zones where we will see the market have sellers getting exhausted and buyers start to jump back in. So if we're looking at the daily chart here, we can see that today sellers are in complete control of the price action. We dropped a good 9% from 2,112 all the way down across the 2K support, all the way to the $1,924. And right now looks like we're hovering somewhere close to the 2K region, trying to retest it again. I will zoom down to lower time frames to show you what caused the drop and how it started, but I just want to bring to your attention the fact that we were stuck in this wedge over here, lower highs from the top and higher lows from the bottom. And as soon as we broke out of it here on March 31st, we saw how that attracted a lot more buyers and Ethereum actually flew to the 2,112. So now when we break outside of a macro pattern like this, we should always anticipate some sort of a retest of those previous resistances that we broke out of, so we can prove that this region became support now. And I think that this is most likely what's happening right now. Ethereum broke above here and it doesn't look like we did come back to retest it, and we kind of got too overextended. So now based on that, we can draw our possible support zones from those key resistance pivots we had before. We do need to go to lower time frames to have a better visibility on those key levels that cause the price to shift back up or down. So I'm gonna go to the 4-hour here. You can go basically to any lower time frame, but the lower you go, the more noise you'll see in the chart. So I usually like the 4-hour because it's a good midpoint. So right off the bat here, we can already pinpoint those levels we need. I can see here at the peak at the $2,044. We can also add the next one here as well at the close of this candle at the $1,930, and you can also see how we clearly found support at it today. And we can tell from this one it's a pretty good support zone where we expect buyers to come in. It's also exactly where your 100 EMA is basically on the 4-hour chart, which we know it's a very good moving average to gauge whether we have support or resistance zones. And you can see how any break above it or below it basically indicates a shift in the trend, and you'll see it here on the chart multiple times where we fully reacted off of that. So also, if you look at this peak here at the $1,870, where we can see that the price action was pretty reactive off of it, and that would be our next stop basically in case the 1930 region does not hold. So those are the main support zones for now. Let's see how well Ethereum is actually maintaining those, and whether we did see an influx of buyers actually jump onto those levels. So now if we zoom into the current price action, looks like we start to drop right around the $2,070 region. It was pretty clear that there was too much resistance at the 2,113, too many wicks to the upside, and sellers were pretty much rejecting every single movement above that. So the close of every green candle was exactly at the same spot, and sellers were just pretty much not letting up. So that was the first signal that yes, maybe we don't have enough buyers for now to jump in the price action yet. And if you look at the 1-hour chart, you'll see how as soon as we broke the support of this wedge we were in, we tried to find the support at the 100 EMA, which has been acting as a support all along here. And as soon as we broke below it, everyone abandoned the ship, and now we're trying to find that support. So now we're pretty much sandwiched between these two levels. We have the 2K area leading up to the 2021 zone we drew initially from the previous highs, and the bottom support zone here at the 1930, where we see buyers jumped in right away, and we're seeing a nice long wick to the bottom. So buyers fully rejected any movement to the bottom below this level, and now we're pushing up against the 200 EMA on the 1-hour, and it's exactly where that 2K resistance is. So we definitely do need enough momentum to break above, and this is not going to be a quick movement upwards or a quick recovery. We do need to jab across it multiple times to weaken it for sure, and actually get the sellers out of the way. So these are the main levels we're looking at right now. Ethereum needs to continue to push up against this EMA and against the 2K resistance. We could have a scenario here where we have a higher low as the day develops. I don't like going on smaller time frames here when I'm making those videos. It's just too time sensitive, but you can probably see here on the 30-minute maybe those higher lows that we are just forming, and how we could possibly have higher highs leading up to the 2K region. So we can see the buyers try to break above as we see them gain that momentum again and start to come in more aggressively to fight that downward movement until we actually break above the 2K, then come back to retest it again where we make it a support. So this is pretty much it for me now. We're going to keep a very close eye out on this all day, and if you're on the Discord here, me and Brendan will start making it a daily thing where we go over those big coins and in the morning and at the end of the day, and post the charts with our notes on it maybe, so you can stay up to date on it. So let us know if that's something you'd like to see in the comment section below. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, then make sure you do so. Link is in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Like the video, share it, and stay safe, stay smart. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.